Did you know that you can order an Uber using Apple Maps? Here's how to do it. Just enter your destination. Let's say we're going to go to JFK Airport from here. Terminal 1. It's going to pull up the location. I'm going to tap the section there where it says the directions. And all the way over on the right here, there's a little dude here with his hand up. I'm going to tap that. And it's going to check for rides in the Uber app and show different options. I'm going to select the cheapest one here. It's going to open Uber and show that trip. And then I can confirm that I want to take that trip. Remember, you have to have the Uber app installed on your iPhone in order to order a ride using Apple Maps.